New report tonight details instances of abuse and maltreatment inside of a Duluth nursing home. This afternoon, we obtained a report from the Minnesota Department of Health finding a staff member emotionally and physically abused patients over at the Bayshore Residence and Rehab Center on Park Point. MDH reports the staff member posted humiliating photos and videos of residents over on Snapchat, and that staff member also admitted to investigators they had physically abused one resident by throwing shoes and food at them. The report says the staff member was fired when Bayshore learned of those photos. Still unclear if any criminal charges are going to be filed in this case, and we are waiting to hear back from police on that front. Meanwhile, Bayshore released their own statement saying they are deeply troubled by this and are working with law enforcement. Bayshore has had issues of neglect in the past, as the home was cited back in 2015 after an investigation found a patient's death was due to them falling out of their wheelchair. And during that incident, it was found the patient had fallen 7 times over 4 months prior to that fatal fall. You can find more details on this investigation over at northernnewsnow.com.